Hi guys, how are you today? Happy Friday. Today I'm going to talk to you about sound. Sound travels through vibrations. If you hum, and you also put 2 fingers on your throat, hum again, can you feel that? Feels tickly in your fingers. Sound travels through vibration and energy. And today I'm going to show you how to make music through vibrations. We are going to make sound jars. Let's go do it. For this activity, we are going to need water, the same kind of glass. It has to be the same, and food coloring, and a spoon. Now I'm going to add food coloring. In the first glass, I'm going to add red, then yellow, then blue, then green. And in the glass that has the most water, do you know what color I'm going to make to go into that glass? Red and yellow make? Well, let's see when I add it. Okay, I'm done with red, yellow, blue, green. And what did the red and yellow make? That's right, orange. Vibration is the sound of something going up and down or back and forth. And that's how we hear sound of that movement. Here we are. This is the glass with the least. Then we have yellow, then blue, then green, and then orange. Can you tell me how that happens? Let's try it again. That's a high-pitched tone. As you can hear, when we tap the glass, the sound goes from a high pitch to a low pitch. And that's because of the different volumes of water in the glass. When it's low, you get the high pitch, and when the glass is full, you get the low pitch. And that's caused by less vibration in the glass. Now let's try making some music with our sound glasses. Let's try singing a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Do you think you can do this activity, science experiment, and make your own song up or sing a song that we used to use in Roots of Empathy? If you can, have Mum or Dad videotape it for us and drop it into your portfolio. We'd love to see it. We'll see you on Monday. Bye.